Hi friends, you are watching educational YouTube channel. This is Microsoft Excel series. In this video, you will learn about justify fill. Friends, in Excel data entry is so easy, but in Excel type a paragraph and type application is so difficult. It is possible to type paragraph or application in Excel by using justify fill. It is also so easy and quickly we perform this task. Justify solve this problem. It is going to get you started the right way using Excel for the real world. To find out more, check out the description of this video. Let's start. If we enter some data in one cell and also enter some data other cell, we cannot write paragraph by doing this. For write a paragraph, first we select a cell and type all paragraph in one cell. If I have something that is this long and I have written instructions here, I am typing some instruction. You can see I want it to enclose to this column, so anything after should flow down. So here's what I used to do. I will go here, select cell which containing information. You can see text also appear in formula bar. Now I want the text remains here in column F. After this, all other overflow text go to the second row. So I highlighted text after this and press Ctrl X. Select next cell where I want to paste and press Ctrl V, and then I am going to repeat all this over again. This is difficult, so in Excel, justify fill solve this problem. First, Ctrl Z, undo all the action. Now you can see all the text appear on one line. For justify fill, all you have to do is highlight the range where you want your text to flow. So in this case, I want my text remain in column F and all other text should flow down. Then go to Home, go to Fill and click on Justify. It did it for you. It actually put the text in the next cell down below, and then it cut that part and put it down below here. Now here I am going to select this range and now click to justify. You get a message that the text is going to extend below the range because it is going to go down here. That's fine. Click on OK. Check this out. Now even if you want to reverse this and put back anything on the first line, all you have to do is highlight. Just highlight a range that you think is going to fit all this text on the first line. Then go back to fill, justify, and everything is back. That is some Excel magic. Practice this. You know, practice makes perfect. If you find it useful, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to find out more tips and tricks that can help you to improve your work life, subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.